guys, I know this is a bit different than what I normally do, but I wanted to show you a project that a select few of us were working on that never saw the light of day. This is not to say that we'll never get this project released and out the door, and in fact, I really wanted to make this video to show all of you the progress that we initially had already completed. Meet the Wooden Railway Collector app for Android and iOS. This idea first came into my mind when I was constantly looking for some way to keep track of my wooden railway inventory. First off, I want to say if you're looking for something like this, go ahead and check out the Wooden Railway forums, as they have great tools to help you on stuff like this. But I wanted something different. I wanted a way to have an app installed on my personal device that would allow me to keep track of my inventory collection and compare to other people's collections if they were willing to share that information with me. For example, you could download the Wooden Railway Collector app and track your own collection and compare it with your close friends. The app was also going to be featuring a built-in eBay price for every Thomas Wooden Railway item that would show recent sales and give you an estimate of what characters, destinations, or random pieces are worth. Another cool feature that was going to be implemented was the ability to download the app and use it in an offline mode, which could come in handy if you don't have the best internet in your area. The picture you're looking at right now was a mock-up picture that was the most up-to-date mock-up that we had. We originally had this sign-in, but due to the fact that I'm not affiliated with Thomas & Friends, I felt that this was too close to the original, and we had to replace it with this. Here is another mock-up of what some of the interface might have appeared once you've logged in. Obviously, the Thomas pictures would be replaced with various items. You know what, enough talking. The following is going to be some footage of the app running in alpha mode. Please disregard the bad quality, as this was never intended to be shown. Enjoy the footage.
Hello, Josh. This is the first step I've accomplished for the Collector app. A simple little login right here. It'll be completely different than this. This is just for testing purposes. If I hit login, pulls in all the information. There's all the information you guys have entered. Click on it. Herald comes up. Just wanted to give you a little update. Bye. Alright, Josh, how are you? Here's the beginning. Hit login. Logs me in. This is going to be like the main page. There'll be a area you can select right here for to go into the whole collection to see all the trains and items that are available. This is going to be an area to manage your collection. All this will probably change up here with different options. So you click on the trains and items. Now you have the years. Alright. You can view all items and you can view per year. This is showing you the percentage of the whole collection that you own, every single item. If you go into 94, all the items for 94 that are available, as you can see, I already own some of them. This is showing me right here how much of this 94 collection I own, which right now I've only chosen about 5.5% of it. As you can see, if I buy the 3.5 curved track, I can hit the plus sign and it'll add it to my collection. Now I have about 7% of it. I've already gone through and chose a couple of them in different years, so I can show you this collection part, which you can go in And there's going to be a button up here where you can export it to your whole collection to a cloud server. That way, if you delete everything on your phone, this information will be backed up on the cloud. You can scroll through this and view all the different things that you own. As you can see, I own pretty much all of the 2013. Now, this is a way that you can just delete things that you don't own if you've accidentally done it. You can also do it from the other page we were just on, but this will be a way to do it from here. Right now, if you hit it, it doesn't do anything. As you can see, I deleted Annie, but it didn't change. It will update eventually, but right now it doesn't. But if you go back to it, you can see that Annie is no longer there. So it does work. And that's pretty much what I've got so far. I just need to add sign up area, and other than user interface, it's pretty much done. Oh, I forgot to show you if you go under all items, there is no way to update or add because you can't. The search works under each year, so I'm going to go ahead and search for Annie. Let's do it this way. A-N-N. There you go, there's Annie. So I have to delete this to get it all back. Now I can go into, let's go under 94 where I own stuff. If I go under, let's see here, there's a little check mark right here. Click that, it says I own it. Now if I go back, Annie is now owned. So if I delete that and then hit Annie again, it's not owned over here. So all that functionality works. And obviously this is updated also. And that's pretty much it. Let me go to instant. So you can see the images, how they're going to be. Sorry, this is a lot easier to do when it's a finger, not a mouse. I think it's instant set number 2. Click on here. You got images, and you can go from by just swiping and view the different images. That's pretty much it. Bye, Josh.
There you have it. I thought I'd show everyone a project that was started back in December of 2012 and went until around February 2013, but has since gone dark. And, well, you know what? The undertaking would have been quite difficult, as there's over 20 years of database that needed to be entered to get the app up and running. I wanted to share this with everyone, though, and see if there really was any interest for something like this in the community, or if I was just wanting something, you know, that nobody else wanted. If it's something that you want, let me know. I'd like to hear from you. It'd be cool to create an app that was made by the community for the community. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching.